But I listen time and again as our friends on the other side, when they're asked what are the most important things you can do when it comes to our healthcare system in America, the first thing they say is medical malpractice. It's the first thing they say. Today it was the first thing that was said. The point that's been made by the President is if we do believe the Congressional Budget Office,
CBO's God around here.
When Orrin Hatch asked them, how much will we save if we implement the Republican plan on medical malpractice from the House, they said $54 billion over 10 years.
CBO's God around here.
$5.4 billion a year is a lot of money, except in the context of a $2.5 trillion bill that we pay each year for health care. It represents 1/5 of 1% of the amount of money we spend each year on health care. The Congressional Budget Office said something else. They said, and as you lose accountability for what the doctors and hospitals are doing, more people will die.
CBO's God around here.
4,800 a year, according to the Congressional Budget Office's reference to this study. Now, the Institute of Medicine tells us 98,000 people a year die in America because of medical malpractice. But let me tell you what, limiting the recovery for pain and suffering for someone who is entitled because they're innocent victims to be paid, isn't eliminating junk lawsuits. I will tell you that as far as the President's concerned, in his neighborhood there is a great hospital, which I will not name, and at this hospital a woman went in for a simple removal of a mole from her face, and under general anesthesia the oxygen caught fire, burning her face. She went through repeated surgeries, scars, and deformity. Her life will never be the same. And you are saying that this innocent woman is only entitled to $250,000 in pain and suffering. I don't think it's fair. Our jury system makes that decision, and the states, 30 of them, have made a decision on what to do. If you were asked in basic question, over the last 20 years, has the number of paid malpractice claims in America doubled or been cut in half? If you listen to most people here, you'd say they must have doubled. No. According to the Kaiser Foundation, they've been cut in half. Oh, but how about the money that's being paid for these malpractice claims? Clearly, that's gone through the roof. No. Between 2003 and 2008, the total amount paid for malpractice claims in America was cut in half, from $8 billion to $4 billion.